Hi friends, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make this cute crystal ball craft. This easily can be made with all Dollar Tree items. I love how this turned out. It was super fun and really quick. This is an easy one, guys. Okay, so I'm just making sure I have all my things. You are going to need your glue gun. This is a Christmas ornament from the Dollar Tree. This is the box cutter from the Dollar Tree. I have a lighter here. Now I did end up using a candle instead of the lighter. I'll show you that in a minute. And there is some scissors, some spray paint, and then there is this glass candlestick holder that I got at the Dollar Tree, and then the wooden one I got from I got that from, where did I get that? Oh, Goodwill. And then I printed this out on my computer. Now, I have a real simple printer, so it didn't get stuck and it worked out really well. It's just a sheet protector and it worked out really well, but just be careful doing that. Now, again, these were from, the glass one was from the Dollar Tree. When I went to the Dollar Tree, I couldn't find those glass ones, but when I went the second time, they had them, but I'd already picked up this one from Goodwill, and I really liked it, so I'm just going to give it a quick coat of spray paint. Oh, here I am lighting the candle, because now the first time I did this, guys, I tried to use just the lighter, and I melted the top of the Christmas ornament. So don't do that. Don't do that. Just hold it above the candle here, and it will just kind of fill with smoke, and it just gives it that kind of eerie effect. And yeah, also I want to make sure that you guys know that melted plastic is toxic, so I do have my patio doors open here, so make sure you are in a well ventilated area. And you can see here that I have just kind of blew out the candle and just letting that smoke fill up the glass ball, or the plastic ball. It is, and if you're doing glass, be careful, because you don't want to get hot and don't want it to explode. If it's plastic, you don't want it to melt. So yeah, this worked really well, just to light a candle, blow it out, and then there you go. There you go. That works really well. Now, like I said, I printed these out from my computer. I just put a couple pieces of paper and a sheet protector. I did cut off the sides, and so that I could, oh, my head's in the way there. you can't really see around me there. I'm just kind of measuring there. But I did cut off the side so it fit through the printer, and it worked really well. Right now I did print out 3 different sizes because I wasn't sure what size I was going to use. You could do this a lot of different ways though. You could print it out and then like trace around it with a Sharpie. I've seen people do that. Or you could just put one on the outside of the ball, which be fine too. I just wanted it inside the glass, or like I said, it is plastic, and so just kind of still measuring here, trying to figure out how big do I need this, where do I need it to go, all of those kind of things. Now here I just roll it up and stick it inside the bulb. Now I'm out of frame here because I'm really trying to get this thing to line up. I should have left it a little bit bigger. I had a hard time, guys, like trying to figure out. Now at this point I thought I wanted to cut off the edge of the plastic bulb because I thought it would fit more snug, but I couldn't get, that was way too hard of plastic. So normally that box cutter from the Dollar Tree cuts through and everything, but it didn't work for me this time, so I was like, well, we're just leaving it, right? So if I could have gotten that off, it would have been a little bit easier, but I fiddled with this thing for a while trying to get it to stand up. I do think that I got a skewer here, I'm trying to get it standing up. I do think it would have been easier if I left it a little bit bigger. In just a second, you're going to see that I actually hot glued it. I ended up holding it and just put a little bit of hot glue at the end, and that worked really well. Now I'm taking some Dollar Tree jute string here. Now I forgot to show you, I did spray paint there. Oh, there's the hot glue there, kind of showing you there. I did spray paint that jute just to give it more of a kind of just a rustic black kind of look. And I'm hot gluing the globe onto the candlestick, and you can see there it's just a little too big, and that is what I'm going to be using that jute just to cover up. So I'm gonna place a little bit of hot glue on the back, and then I'm using my skewer so I don't burn myself. And then I'm just going to wrap that jute around. It just gives it a little bit of character and just hides where those two meet up. And then once I get it where I want it, just put a little hot glue to secure it on the back and cut it off. I forgot to mention, if I was using the glass bulb instead of the plastic, I would have used E6000 instead of the hot glue. And that's it, guys. Short and sweet. The hardest part was getting it all lined up, but it turned out super cute and it was so easy. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification so you know when I upload a video, and chat with me in the comments. I would love to hear what Halloween and fall crafts you guys are doing. Anyway, thanks, guys. Bye.